Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Guys, welcome back. Today we're exploring Windsurf versus Cline versus Cursor, the base AI coding tools in 2025. First one, let's look at about Windsurf. Windsurf is designed for seamless integration with your popular IDEs, offering smart code completion and real-time error detection. It's especially praised for its ability to understand context and suggest relevant snips that speed up the coding. Then next, Cline. Cline focus on the collaborative coding, make it perfect for teams. It's a provide AI-powered code reviews and suggestion that helps catch bugs early and improve code quality without slowing down your workflow. The last one is Cursor. Cursor stands out with its advanced natural language interface. You can describe what you want in a plain English, and it generates clean, efficient code across multiple languages. It's a great option for beginners and pros alike who wants to prototype quickly. Choosing between them depends on your priorities. If you want smooth IDE integration, Windsurf is solid. For team collaboration, Cline shines. And for natural language coding, Cursor leads the pack. All three tools are evolving fast, so keep eye on the updates to find the perfect fits for your coding style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools review and tech insights.